In a world where smartphones are as essential as our wallets, Samsung once again raises the bar with the Samsung 24 Ultra. This isn't just a phone, it's a game changer. In our pockets we carry a device that has become indispensable to our daily lives, and Samsung 24 Ultra promises to redefine that experience. With unique features that set it apart from the rest, it is poised to revolutionize our interaction with technology. So brace yourselves as we delve into the remarkable features of the Samsung 24 Ultra. Peeling back the layers of the Samsung 24 Ultra, we find a powerhouse of performance beneath its sleek exterior. This marvel of modern technology is driven by a robust processor, a real workhorse that effortlessly handles heavy-duty tasks. Whether you're editing a video, running multiple apps, or playing the latest games, the Samsung 24 Ultra doesn't skip a beat. It's all about seamless operation, and this gadget delivers. What's more, this device is a testament to efficiency. Its battery life is impressively long-lasting, ensuring you stay connected throughout the day. And when it does come time to refuel, you'll be back in business in no time. Thanks to its fast charging capabilities, the Samsung 24 Ultra wastes no time getting you back to what you do best. With such a robust performance, the Samsung 24 Ultra certainly packs a punch. From its powerful processor to its efficient battery, this device is a testament to Samsung's dedication to delivering superior performance. The Samsung 24 Ultra isn't just about power, it's a visual treat too. Nestled within its sleek frame is a magnificent display that promises to dazzle your senses. This isn't just any screen, it's a high-resolution wonder that brings images to life in a way you've probably never seen before. Every pixel is a burst of vibrant color, rendering every image with an almost surreal clarity. And it's not just about the colors and resolution. The Samsung 24 Ultra's display is smooth to the touch, responding to your every swipe and tap with ease. This seamless interaction enhances the overall user experience, making it not just functional but enjoyable too. Yet what truly sets this display apart is its immersive quality. Whether you're navigating through your favorite apps, streaming the latest blockbuster, or simply scrolling through your photo gallery, each moment is a captivating visual journey. The Samsung 24 Ultra's display is indeed a feast for the eyes. Now, let's move on to the piece de resistance of the Samsung 24 Ultra. Its superior camera. This isn't just a camera, it's a high-tech photography system that fits right in your pocket. The Samsung 24 Ultra comes with high-resolution sensors that capture every minute detail, bringing your photos to life with exceptional clarity. It also features a wide-angle lens, letting you fit more of the world into each shot. Whether you're photographing sprawling landscapes or bustling cityscapes, this lens has got you covered. And let's not forget about the night mode. Even in the darkest conditions, the Samsung 24 Ultra's camera shines, capturing vivid, clear images with minimal noise. And for the videographers among us, the video recording capabilities of this device are truly top-notch. It can capture stunning footage in the highest resolution, making every moment look like a scene from a blockbuster. With the Samsung 24 Ultra's camera in your pocket, every moment can be picture-perfect. As we wrap up, let's summarize what makes the Samsung 24 Ultra an extraordinary smartphone. This tech marvel is a trifecta of powerful performance, stunning display, and superior camera, making it a standout in today's crowded smartphone market. It's all about speed and efficiency with this powerhouse. The Samsung 24 Ultra's powerful performance is built to handle any task you throw at it, from streaming high-definition videos to managing multiple apps simultaneously. And with its robust battery life, you're always ready to go. Now let's talk about the display. This device boasts a stunning display that brings your favorite content to life. From the vivid colors to the sharp details, it's like having a personal theater right in the palm of your hand. And with the smooth refresh rate, scrolling and swiping has never been this satisfying. And of course we can't forget about the camera. The Samsung 24 Ultra's superior camera captures every moment in stunning detail. Whether it's a breathtaking landscape or a cherished family moment, every shot is a masterpiece. But what truly sets the Samsung 24 Ultra apart is its commitment to innovation. This isn't just any smartphone, it's a testament to Samsung's dedication to pushing the boundaries of what's possible. It's a device that's not just about the now, but also the future. The Samsung 24 Ultra is not just a smartphone, it's a testament to Samsung's commitment to innovation and excellence. So, are you ready to experience the future with the Samsung 24 Ultra?